Hiya, Martin here. Thanks for joining me for this final look back episode of Turner's Journey, where we're going to be taking a look back at the year 2024. And again, it was another very interesting year. Emma Cook came to deliver some more teaching for us. I think she came a couple of times actually in 2024, once early in the year, once a little bit later on, sort of in the autumn time. I visited Northern Ireland to demonstrate for a club over there, and that was a really, really good weekend. Very, very interesting too. Separating out the teaching from Hampshire Sheen, I started the Woodturning school in, I can't remember when it was, May time? Can't remember. Anyway, so I started up the Woodturning school to give the lessons and stuff its own identity, or their own identity, and also give back some identity to Hampshire Sheen that I felt it had started to lose by offering the lessons. So we separated the two, and the Woodturning school is being run by a completely separate company called Woodturning Online Limited. I went to Denmark again. I think that was the sort of fourth year on the trot. It's always great fun going over to see the guys in Denmark. And Emma Cook was demonstrating over there as well. We met up, I think, at a train station in Copenhagen. Yeah, I think we met at a train station in Copenhagen, yeah. What else happened? Colwyn Way came to give us some more lessons here. He did his taming of the skew class. Oh yeah, we invested in Starlink internet as well, because we were doing some stream, or a little bit more streaming and what have you, and being out in the middle of nowhere. Our internet is copper wire from essentially here, a mile as the crow flies that way, before it joins fibre. But of course, everything is only as strong as its weakest link, and a mile of copper just doesn't cut the mustard really when it comes to streaming. So we invested in Starlink internet. I developed the new workshop area that you may well have seen. You've certainly seen it in a few previous episodes recently of Turner's Journey, and if you've watched any of my live demos over the last few months, you would have seen it as well. We changed government. We had a Labour government come in, and they made a whole load of very expensive changes for businesses. That was difficult. The EU introduced even more changes to their legislation about trading into Europe and within Europe and stuff like that. But it had nothing to do with Brexit. This was a worldwide thing. So trading in the EU was made somewhat more tricky on top of the previous legislation that was introduced in 2023. Change of US government as well. President Donald Trump was voted in November 2024, and all sorts of things are happening on that front. Anyway, so that's it for 2024. So next week will be the very first proper edition of the new Turner's Journey. Thank you very much indeed for watching over the last few weeks. If you are brand new here, please do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next week for the first proper edition of the new season, or the new series, the new run, whatever, of Turner's Journey, and enjoy the 2024 slideshow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.